Hello, my name is Kanji Koda. You're on video 819 of the documentation, source code of which is here. Let's get going. So in the ArtGrill shader strings within shader source fragment H, which is the bombs for Josh shader, we've injected two new lookup tables in this section. So we have the localized Femi tile, 0 to 47 inclusive, converted to which cell it is on our MIP map. So cell 4X, cell 4Y, which is, yeah, that's where it is. We have a little diagram. We don't have enough time to look at the diagram in this video. And then in our shader code beneath where we're rendering our graph paper, we have the Femi tile that we want to kind of embed onto the graph paper to make it look like a pen sketch. We're only going to do this if the Fem tile exists. These are monkey wrench macros. I don't want to call it Femi P4X and P4Y. I want to call it Femic P4X and, oops, P4Y. Let's fix that right there. Okay, down here, all we've changed in the shader is we're using our lookup table. So we can make sure this lookup table is correct by making sure that this matches exactly this, because that's what's going in. And then what goes out is this, so this should match exactly that. It looks correct. We'll write some more logic in the next video, but this is all we've done is added this lookup table. And then down here in data by system, in the K layout data section, we have added this mipmap cell lookup section because these two lookup tables, they actually already exist. So we're just aliasing the names. So the original names were P48 to GCX and P48 to GCY, and that stands for placeholder image 0 to 47 inclusive, converted to G4X and G4Y. So P48 is the capacity, 0 to 47 inclusive makes 48 values. Then down here, we're going to do some error checking for these lookup tables, but we're going to do that in the next video. Then down here, we've added tags to find our preprocessor. Here's our preprocessor that takes shader source fragment raw, converts it to the preprocessed lookup table. That's going to go in shader source fragment preprocessed, and let's look at this. So down here we have our lookup table of arrays. We've added two new lookup tables right here. Those should look familiar. Our lookup table is of names, the names we want to use on the GPU side to refer to them. There they are. And then in our lookup table of tokens, we have the injection site tokens, and we're going to increase the max index of our lookup tables to 39. So all these lookup tables should have the exact same length because they're paired lookup tables. And that's it. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go to this playlist. You're on this playlist. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me are down here. Like and subscribe. Send money in the mail. I'm out of time.